Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're here to talk about the lovely Brett, okay? Pepe's best friend on Base. We know how well this asset has been doing. We know how many exchanges this thing has been listed on. You know, you can trade this from a futures perspective as well. This thing has been doing very, very well ever since this thing launched, okay? So in today's video, we're going to be doing an overview on this asset, looking at where this thing could be going, what is happening with it, and also potential price prediction for this asset as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into this sort of broad update on Brett coin. Now, if you like Brett, drop a little like on the video. It does help us out tremendously here over on Crypto News' channel. And we hit 15,000 subscribers. So thank you guys ever so much. If you're not subscribed, make sure you drop a sub on the channel. So you can see market cap 629 million, currently underpriced, currently ranked 101st out of every single cryptocurrency in the world, which again is still quite impressive at a market cap of just shy of $600 million. Now, in the last day, it's actually down 3.46%. Get ready for it. In the last 7 days, oh baby, it's up 84% to be exact. Insane gains to the upside there. Very, very nice and well into everyone that's been holding Brett over the last sort of last couple of months or so. And in the month, it's actually up 107%. This thing is exploding. It's nearly done it's done a 2x since the month began here, which is super, super bullish here, considering it was literally tinking at $300 million market cap. Everyone was sat there like, oh God, is it going to survive? And of course it did. Now, we are looking for a move. The move that we are talking about here is not a 6 cents. We want this bad boy way back up there at that 20 cents. We want that $2 billion market cap yet again. I think with the jump that it's just had up to 600 mil, I do think that we can get to 2 billion again. We've done it before multiple times here. We're going to do it again. Coming down to this area, 600 mil, you can see the last time that we'd actually hit this was a very, very strong floor at 650. We haven't quite overtaken that in terms of support just yet, but we are looking at this area with a lot of certainty, okay? Because if we can find support here across that 1 billion market cap sort of area, then it's very likely that Brett will continue to the upside, and then we can see that $2 billion coming through. If you were to invest now and you were to wait and hold it for say a year or two, you're probably looking at around a 2 to 3 to potentially 4x on your investment. Super bullish there. The price prediction would be way back up to the $2 billion market cap. Now let's get into the chart and let's see where we can be trading this asset right now, because there's some interesting positions, okay? Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you quickly about Solaxy. Now, Solaxy is not a project to be ignored right now. It's raised $32 million in their pre-sale. They are about to launch, okay? They're about to launch. It's not too late for you guys to get in on the next layer 2 protocol for Solana. It's the only layer 2 for Solana that has been released. And basically, this thing is built to stop network congestion, failed transactions, scalability limitations, all while amplifying the strengths of Solana and obviously the security of Solana. Solana is reliable, but it's not that reliable considering what happened when Trump coin obviously launched, right? It completely crashed the network and no one could get through, and it basically was screaming out, somebody create a layer 2, and that's exactly what Solaxy have done. And you can see here, for good reason, it's raised $32 million. There's some big backers behind this guy, some very, very big backers, big influencers and stuff like that will be pushing this project. With a $32 million raise, we're talking potentially Binance listings, Coinbase, Mexi. We're talking really big sexes that will be pushing this asset, and definitely getting in at the early stage is a way to make a lot of money by doing so. Okay, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go check it out yourself. Obviously, go do your own research. You can get involved with crypto, or you can get involved with fiat as well, meaning you can get involved with your native currency, pounds, dollars, euros, you name it. You basically connect with your card, you pay with your card, takes it out your bank, converts it into Solaxy token, and that goes directly to your crypto wallet. And then what you do, you stake that for 125% rewards, passive income throughout the pre-sale. And when the pre-sale launches, you can basically sit back, watch the centralized exchanges list, and then the asset goes to the moon, okay? Because one thing about pre-sales like this, guys, when it's got such a big amount of funding, big exchanges, they want to list it. they're not paid to list it. They have to buy up the supply themselves because they want to support the volume, because they capitalize on the fees for people trading the asset. So it's very, very likely here that the big exchanges are already eyeing this up, trying to buy the supply of this. So when this launches, it's very likely to just do a massive, massive green candle to the upside. Anyway, enough about Solaxy. Super bullish on that. Let's get back into the Brett chart and let's have a little look at what we can potentially be trading here, because as I said, there's some interesting positions. First things first, let's talk Fibonacci. Okay, so we do have obviously a Fibonacci move here, which can be corrected now, which I'm gonna delete it and do a brand new one here from the top side to the bottom side here of the all-time high to the low here of this move, because that will give us sort of a good idea. And you can see here that we've got the 0.5 Fibonacci here above the 200 EMA. So what we're sort of waiting on here, if we can get above this area, it's basically go time. This is what I was saying to you guys earlier here when we were on CMC here. It was basically saying if we get above the previous floor at around 650, $700 million, we can get above that, which will be around this sort of area here, then that is the level that sends us galactic again. Okay, that's the support level that we've hit previously in previous price action, and basically we should hold from there roughly at this area. You can see my cursor here all the way along here. It's massive, massive levels of support, which throw us way back up to that $2 billion market cap. So that's going to be the target to the upside. If we can get above that, sell your house, get involved. Obviously I'm joking, but yeah, there's a lot of money to be made there by trading Brett. Now you can see again, we have seen a massive pump to the upside, so it's very likely before we get to this area, or when we get to this area, we have a bit of a rejection. That's absolutely natural, completely fine to happen. We got the 21, we got the 55, we got the price action channel as well coming up. What's likely going to happen is we see another wave up. As you can see, we've got a doji star candle there as well, which does mean uncertainty in the price there. Probably going to come down, set us a lovely little higher low, and then go for another wave to the upside. Okay, that's sort of the prediction here coming into May. That's sort of what I would be looking out for there. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. In terms of buying and longing and trading this asset in general, I mean, I don't like trading assets that I'm not that confident on. Like a short here would be nice, but still, you don't short into a nice confident uptrend. It's not a very smart move to do. Your probably best bet is waiting for it to come down. If it does come down, accumulate some in this area, wait till it comes up and then sell here. That would be the sort of the smart move here, and that would be worth 43% to say the least. And if you're looking for something a little bit more safer, wait till we clear this area and then get in around this area as well. If you want to make more money, DCA the whole way down, wait for the big bullish move, and then hold this thing for the long term, and you'll make a lot of money. But if you're looking to trade that, though, that would be how I would be trading that. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to go check out Solaxy in the description of the video. They've just launched their testnet as well, and they've got many, many new things coming. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.